So next, coming to methods of expressing concentration. Methods of expressing concentration. So we use two different methods to express the concentration: physical methods and also chemical methods. First, let us know about physical methods. So first, physical methods. Physical methods which are used to know the concentration of solutions. So in physical methods, first one is weight percent or mass percent. Weight percent. Weight by weight percent. We can write weight by weight percent. Weight percent. This is also called as mass percent. So weight percent, that is weight in grams of a solute present in 100 grams of a solution. Okay. So quantity of amount of solute in grams which is present in 100 grams of a solution. So that is called as weight percent. Okay. So amount of solute in grams present in 100 grams of a solution is called weight percent. So weight percent is weight of solute in grams present in 100 grams of solution. So that is called weight percent or mass percent. Okay. So weight percent of solute, so that is equal to weight of solute by weight of solution into 100. So this is one of the physical method. And another one, weight volume percent. Weight volume percent. Okay. So we can express weight by volume percent. Okay. So here weight of solute in grams, that is present in 100 ml of the solution. Here solution that is expressed in volume. Okay. So here solution weight percent, solution is expressed in terms of weight. So here in terms of volume. So weight of solute in grams which is present in 100 ml of a solution is called weight volume percent of solution. Okay. So weight of solute in grams present in 100 ml of a solution is called weight volume percent. Okay. So weight volume percent of solution, solute. So that is equal to weight of solute by volume of solution into 100. Okay. Next, volume percent. So volume percent, volume by volume. Okay. So here both solute and solution, that are expressed in terms of volume. So volume of a solute in ml that is present in 100 ml of the solution, that is volume percent. Okay. So volume of solute in ml present in 100 ml of solution is called volume percent. Okay. So, volume percent of solute, that is equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. Okay. Next, another methods to express the concentration. Parts per million. Parts per million. Under physical method, we express ppm, parts per million. So, parts per million is weight of the solute present in million parts by weight of the solution. Okay. So, parts per million. So, this is ppm, parts per million. So, it is weight of the solute present in million means 10 to the power 6 million parts by weight of solution. Million parts by weight of solution. So, that is parts per million. Okay. So, this is also a physical method to express the concentration of the solution. So, we use this parts per million, ppm, weight of solute present in million parts by weight of the solution. So, ppm is equal to weight of solute into 10 to the power of 6 by weight of solution. Okay. So, weight of solute by weight of solution into 10 to the power of 6. So, that is parts per million, ppm. Okay. Next, another concentration term, demol. Demol. Okay. This is also physical method to express the concentration of the solution. So, demol is 1 mole of solute present in 1 liter of the solution at 0 degree centigrade. Okay. So, demol that is 1 mole of the solute. Here quantity of solute that is expressed in terms of moles. So, mole is weight by molecular weight of the solute. Okay. So, weight by molecular weight, that is equal to mole. Okay. So, demol is, so that is 1 mole of solute present in 1 liter of the solution at 0 degree centigrade is called demol. Okay. So, this is also one of the physical method to express the concentration of solutions. Okay.